Hello Sweetcorns, welcome to Corn. First of all, Happy New Year. Well, I know, I am a little late to the party, 5 months late. Anyways, I wish and I hope you guys are doing well, staying healthy. Well, I am not healthy, but trying my best. So, few of my previous videos were all over the place, so I decided to start from the scratch. Today I am going to show you how I make my air dry clay. I already have a similar video a few years ago. You guys can check that out. I will put the link here, I guess, here in the upper right corner. And anyways, let's continue with this video. First, take a container. I am using this old sweet box. You can use whatever you have. You can recycle any container you have. This is a 2 ingredients air dry clay recipe. So first is wallputty powder and second is water. So yeah, these are the two ingredients you need to make this clay. Then next step, using any stick, I am using the back of this paint brush. Mix the water and the wallputty powder together and mix it well. It's going to take quite a while because wallputty powder is kind of hydrophobic, I guess. Then after that you have to knead this mixture with your hand. You have to dirty your hand. As you knead this mixture, add wallputty powder or water if needed. Here I added too much water, so I am adding wallputty powder as I need. Just follow the steps that I am showing you here. You can use a plastic sheet over the surface so the surface don't get dirty. And with that our clay is done. You can start making your clay things now. If you keep this clay in a airtight container or in wet cloth, you can work with this clay for 4 to 5 hours, but I will suggest you to make small amount of clay at a time. Then if you needed more clay, you can make another batch the same way. And yeah, that's it for this video. In my next video I am going to show you how I make clay magnets for the first time using this clay, so stay tuned for that. And before I go, I made these cute little clay things. Let's take a look at them. And yeah, I have to make this video 8 minutes longer somehow, so I'm going to add some random videos at the end, probably some of my previous clay project videos. So yeah, enjoy the rest of this video and Thank you so much for watching. Also, I am so sorry for not uploading again. I am not going to promise, but I will try my best to upload frequently as possible, because I am so lazy. I am really sorry guys. Although I was not active for a long time, but still some of you commented and I'm so grateful for that. Thank you all so much. That's it. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay hydrated, because the weather, oh god, today it feels like 100 degree in here. So please stay well, Sweetcorn. Stay hydrated. Drink much water than needed, I guess, because yeah, the weather is really awful nowadays. Anyways, thank you so much again. Love you guys. Bye bye.